So today I want to talk to you guys about something. As a wig wearer, I didn't even know myself, and I truly thought that I knew just about everything when it comes to wigs. But come to find out, I didn't know about the wig fix, because I'm sure many of you don't either. I'm going to try this out today. All you wig wearers should go get a wig fix. Here I have the wig fix. It is a silicone, medically proved, patent pending headband. But it's more than just a headband. It really does hold your wig on. We're gonna see if this bad boy really is the stuff. The little anchors, they are little silicone knobs. If you wear wigs due to chemotherapy or maybe alopecia or any other types of hair loss that would maybe cause your scalp to be a little bit tender or sensitive, it is perfect for you because it's soft. Much better than harsh glues and chemicals and tape. So for me, I go ahead and lay the start of the band right there, and it tucks right along the sides of your ears, snugly in the back. Your wig fix is on, so now grab your favorite wig. Maybe some people think, oh, it works with this wig but not that. It literally works with any kind of wig. Full lace, synthetic, lace front, you name it. Honestly, it's great. If anyone's ever wondered what Jeana's natural hair color texture is like, here she is. This is really heavy, really thick and fluffy, so I wanted this to be the first wig that I show you guys. This thing is strong, like it does some work. It's roller coaster approved. I think I've even had issues with some of my glue and tape on roller coasters, so maybe now I can get my ass back on a roller coaster. This should be a little farther back than where your hairline of the wig should be. You will not see this. I've worn mine a couple times. They do get a little bit cloudy from makeup and stuff like that, so you're gonna want to clean her after each use. It's very sheer and you can't see it through any of your lace. I only wear full lace wigs, so I know how important that part is. Let's go ahead and put her on. Wig wear. Wig fix wear. But she is definitely in there. She's underneath. I don't think she's going anywhere. Save your baby hairs, save your hairline, seriously. Invest in a wig fix. My discount code is right there. Get yourself 10% off of your very own wig fix. I cannot tell you how game changing this is.